Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kakan hon jong kinong ila kai kriket, nakani ke jela Meghalaya. Henne kasni ka arpsau terek mentau benai risau araja katpra. Kalalong ke balakre, banai yakon ha kalempong ila kai kriket, jong ke Ranji Trophy. Kaban sedang haki kindiat sengi banwan, kaban salong ha ke jela Assam, batru akani ke jela. Wat hadin bon kijing ba ke Meghalaya Cricket Association kalai kendo.
As you can see, there's a good shower and it's bringing good omen to our precursor to the Ranji. It's a historic movement from the first, and our Ranji team is practicing. Today I think there's a match with the under-23. Both the teams are here practicing. Under-23 team is likely to leave for Jorhat. Earlier the match was in Dibrugarh, now it will be played in Jorhat. We'll have 2 matches here also, home matches of 23. But the most important, which is a defining aspect or a defining moment for cricket in our state, together with other 6 northeastern states, is entering the Ranji and soon becoming full members. It has been a long struggle, but we kept up the momentum. And very important, as we discussed, Baghedia and myself and few others, that we kept the flag of cricket flying, which is very important. We did not give up. We don't have resources even now, but cricket did not stop. Maybe there was some momentum, lack of momentum, grounds, all these factors were there. But that did not deter us to close the shutter. We continued with the league, the inter-district and other aspects. Then the academy came up where Bob Gideon took initiative. So these are all aspects that it's the love for the cricket that we did not give up.
Ka Meghalaya Cricket Association, kala ay kublay kerpangru ya ke sarkar jela, hapo ke jelam jong menteri rangba, u Konrad ke sangma, batru yo menteri ketnat ilakai ke jela, u ba bantai dorling do. Kibala Shimkhia, ban penyo ya kejaka, ban cna ya kemudian ilakai kriket, hapo kejela, nak kasong pisa, jong ke BCCI.
But I am very happy to inform that finally after almost a decade of request, pleading, appeal, we have finally got some land to come up with a bigger stadium and ground at the 2022 National Game site, about 23.7 acres, so it may come out to about 25 acres. So this is a good beginning, and we thank our Honorable Chief Minister, who is also the President of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, and the Sports Minister, and all others in the government for finally giving us this land, although the official handing taking over will take place next month.
Ka Meghalaya Cricket Association, kadapro da kajing sokman balasay kasngi, kan sayo banbo yo maunong rem, na kabanta bansnano ya ke indoor, na kabanta kirang bat kitay samla jong kejela, bat hadin katto kan nepor, ka association kan sayo ru ban kilan met, ya kinong ilakay, bat ban light na kajing perwet jong uslap kal air. Ya kene ke indoor layo lengba ka BCCI, bat kinong ilam jong ka association kila penpau, pahakan ke kenti menta, tangkawai ke kenhon, kan net yesem menta. Henry hakis number 1 kin sakarpa na ka BCCI, bakin siya bandan sakawai ke kenhon.
This was another long-felt dream of ours to have indoors. You see the rain now. If we had the indoors, this practice could have easily continued here. So this break which comes, then also our boys and girls, during summer months, almost 6 to 7 months, there is no practice. So they have to almost virtually start new, afresh. So with this indoor, tomorrow we are laying the foundation of the indoor. The architect also is there. All has been appointed by BCCI. The groundwork has been done by us. And the NADP committee passed it. So I was inducted into NADP committee in 2016, and from there onwards we gave momentum and pressure, and so finally it has been sanctioned. The amount sanctioned is around 5.35 crores. Tomorrow you will get all the details. I invite all our friends from the media who has been a source of strength to us, support always to be present. It will be implemented totally by BCCI. The bidding process, payment, everything. We didn't want to handle money at this stage, so we left it to BCCI. But the drawings, the design, everything has been given by us, which will be revealed tomorrow. A model also has come. So it's again a big boon for the state.
Kani kakan hon jangka association kan sesim kiaro banyo ikinoi lakai nakaleng kejela ban mikmat haka kriket haka ba ka association kan sesedang noru daki akademi nakabenta kejing lakai kriket kum baka pau menta ki babon ki samla na ki thai nong kandong ki dan kejing thrang banyo lakai kriket kum nak thai nong ston mau kerwan na rilom jentia bat na kiwe di ki benta jong ka thai nong kandong handrei kat ba nakani kanong ba shlong pat ki kham duna ba ka association kapan paru ye kijing songo yo kapten barem jong kari India Usaurav Ganguly uban sawan ban sakhi kijila kai kaban salong la shai kasngi bat hakani kijing wan kajong u ka Meghalaya Cricket Association kan saya tai sani baru bat u ban panje rap na ka academy jong u ban kersan lam ye kita ki academy ki ba ka association shen kan saple.
You see, from Ranji only you go to the next step of representing the country. And as far as our domestic calendar is concerned, Ranji is the apex tournament. It is the most prized tournament and one of the oldest tournaments named after the great Ranjit Singh Ji. So this is the ultimate as far as cricket is concerned, and everyone's eyes are there. You see, even test cricketers, international ODI cricketers, whenever they get an opportunity, they play. Recently, Rohit Sharma played in the Vijay Hazare for Mumbai. So you see, that is an opportunity where selectors and all, and it is very prestigious, this Ranji Trophy. So naturally, it is very important. Although we are in the plate group this time, but efforts will be made that in next 2 to 3 years that we go up to the next group. So then now we are trying, now this year only one team, but next year we are putting pressure on BCCI that there should be at least 2 teams going up.
Nakalyang jong kapten jong kakanhon kabanyalam daw ba Jason Lamare ula pun pau ya kejing sungo ya ka association kabala simkhia na kabenta kani kakanhon kabanyo bani simenta haka Ranji Trophy. Shusho u Jason Lamare ula pun pau ban nakalyang jong kakanhon kalayo tang lai ba sausngi ban pentpet haswa ban le ilakai hakani kelumpung. Handai ula ong pat baka kanhon kanyele akai kat bala banwara ya kanam job ya kejela.
For me personally, I've been waiting for this to play Ranji Trophy and to play Vijay Hazare for at least about 10 years after we split from Assam. No? And all thanks to Batnaba, after his long fight, he's actually made personally my dream come true. And a little bit longer, maybe I couldn't have played anymore. So. And of course, the preparation for the Vijay Hazare was very limited. We only had about 3 to 4 days. But even with that limited time, we still went there and at least we won 50% of our matches, which was actually personally my plan, because to go and play against big teams, some of the big teams, like there were a few Indian players also. So we just wanted to get into the momentum so that our preparation for the Ranji Trophy will be much better. Therefore, now that we are preparing for the Ranji Trophy, our preparation is much more better. We're having more time to practice. We have a more solid team. We are
more balanced.
And more balanced, in fact, more balanced. We want to spinners. We've got some good spinners. The outsiders are doing their job. As local players, we just have to, support the outsiders who are doing so well. And the coach also who's come in, Mr. Sanat Kumar, he's the India Under-19 coach. He's been very supportive to the local players, because when you play big tournaments, you at this level, you have to be more than becoming just a good batsman or a good bowler. You have to be very mentally strong at this level, and playing 4 days is not a matter of joke. Okay, so thank goodness, now Mr. Sanat Kumar, he's preparing all of us, to how to prepare for the next 4 days.